go in my lap? Ringo! Come on.
Pick him up.
Come on, mister. You can do.
See if he'll lick you.
Did he just pee? No, it's fine.
Lay down, see what happens.
Oh, you lay down?
Yeah, you lay down.
Starting to lick me so I wake up.
Oh my god. Don't hide him. Don't hide him. Move away.
What do you mean?
You can't see him. Oh, there he is.
Oh, he was trying to lick me.
Do that again. See if he comes to you again.
Ow! It's my hair! Ow! He likes my hair.
Hey!
I remember this day when the dog actually bit my hair.
Lay down. See if he does again.
And if he bites my hair,
Boom.
Ringo.
He's more interested in the bone now.
He looks like he's smoking. He licked my hand. See, as soon as it came towards him, he dropped the bone.
Yeah, I love that.
Oh, he's chasing his tail. I love when dogs chase their tails. He's gonna chase his tail once in a while. It's like, why is that dog staring at me? He likes to bite my hair.
What's your? It says it's an instinct. He's not hurting you, is he?
Sort of. You can bite my shoe, I don't care.
Lay down one more time, see what happens. So you can see your head. He doesn't see your head.
Ringo.
Boom.
Ringo. He's doing it.
See, put him on your chest.
I'm just going to give you a few minutes to play with that.